stop scrolling and listen up. If you have been struggling every morning with bitter, lukewarm, or just plain bad coffee, this video is going to save your mornings. Today, I am breaking down the 5 best coffee makers on the planet right now, from the ultimate drip machine to a 3-second espresso miracle. And before we dive in, every single product I mention has its buy link waiting for you right down in the description. So do yourself a favor and tap that like button, share this with a friend who desperately needs better coffee, and hit subscribe so you never miss my next review. Let's get brewing! Starting at number 1, the Ratio 6 Coffee Maker, hands down the best drip coffee maker you can buy. Trust me when I say this machine cannot be beat. Other machines have tried, but the Ratio 6 has been the reigning champion of our drip coffee maker reviews for years. When I retested all of our winners earlier this year, I was genuinely stunned at how much better the Ratio 6 coffee tasted. And while you probably don't need to know much beyond that, I will tell you it is also pleasantly simple to use with just one button. The carafe keeps brewed coffee hot, and it reliably brews at around 200 degrees Fahrenheit while the shower head gets the entire brew bed evenly wet. I own an embarrassing amount of coffee making apparatus, but this is the one I come back to time after time. The only small downside? It doesn't brew into the carafe's lid, so you have to disassemble a gasket and twist the lid on once it is done brewing. It is a little annoying, but I have made peace with it, and I am sure you will too. Moving on to number 2, the OXO Brew 9-Cup Coffee Maker, which takes the title of the best programmable coffee maker. This drip machine checks every single box: a sufficiently hot brewing temperature, a great shower head, and a thermal carafe that keeps coffee hot for hours. It is also fully programmable, meaning you can set it up the night before and wake up to the scent of freshly brewed coffee waiting for you. When I tested it, I particularly loved how easy it was to use without even reading the instruction manual. You just load it up with water and grounds, then scroll through the dial to set your brew time. The sleek stainless steel body is well made and looks good in just about any kitchen. The only thing I didn't love is that the brew bed is conical, which is ideal for light roast coffee but not so much for dark roasts. But honestly, I am splitting hairs at this point. It is a fantastic machine. Number 3 is the OXO Brew 8-Cup Coffee Maker, the best coffee maker with a thermal carafe. Now, you might be wondering why I am recommending the smaller sibling instead of the 9-cup. Here is the truth. The larger the volume of water, the longer it retains heat, so the 9-cup had a natural advantage in my tests. But the 8-cup is an incredible value. You can brew a single cup directly into your coffee mug, including tall travel mugs, and it is one of the most affordable high-end coffee makers I recommend. It is gloriously simple. The only catch is that the shower head doesn't have as many holes as the 9-cup, so the coffee tastes just a tiny bit under-extracted. But honestly, most coffee drinkers will never notice the difference. For the price and the thermal performance, this one is a steal. Next up, number 4, the Zojirushi Dome Programmable Coffee Maker, which surprised everyone by becoming the best affordable coffee maker. Here is the bad news: most inexpensive coffee makers we tested completely flunked our temperature test. They simply could not get hot enough to brew good coffee. But the great news is that the Zojirushi did so well, it is the only budget recommendation you need. Our reviewer is an actual sommelier trained to notice subtle flavors, and she was blown away by how good the Zojirushi's light and dark roasts tasted. It even has an iced coffee function, and it brews hot coffee right around 200 degrees Fahrenheit while being fully programmable. The downsides? It brews a little slower than ideal, and it is not the most gorgeous coffee maker I have ever seen. Plus, the glass carafe is more fragile than thermal carafes. But for the price, the flavor you get is unbeatable. And finally, number 5, the Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine, which is simply the best espresso machine for your kitchen. This little machine is speedy. Unlike traditional machines that use bulky boilers, it reaches ideal brewing temperatures in just 3 seconds. Seriously, wow! It has a PID sensor that ensures you are always brewing at exactly 200 degrees Fahrenheit, so no need to temperature surf ever again. The Bambino Plus also pre-infuses the espresso puck with lower pressure water, which helps you pull a better, more balanced shot. While it is beloved by espresso experts, it is not intimidating to beginners because it is so user-friendly. The Steam one has 3 temperature and foam options, and the machine even tells you when it is time to empty the drip tray. It is small, powerful, and does not cost a gazillion dollars. The only small complaint? The shots are measured automatically by volume, and they ran too long in our tests. So to get the best results, you should stop them manually. But once you dial that in, this machine is an absolute game changer. So there you have it, the 5 best coffee makers to turn your kitchen into your favorite coffee shop. Whether you want the unbeatable drip of the Ratio 6 or the 3-second magic of the Breville Bambino Plus, every single link is waiting for you right in the description below. If this video helped you, do me a favor and smash that like button, share this with a friend who is still suffering through bad coffee, and hit subscribe so you never miss another honest review. Now go make yourself a great cup. I will see you in the next one.